Hi friends, welcome to Tech is Buddy. Today we will see how to remove watermark from image without Photoshop. In this image, we can see watermark text placed in 5 places. Now we can remove this watermark text from this image. For that, open apowersoft.com website in your web browser. Select the watermark remover link from the product and solutions menu. Here we have options to remove watermark from image and video. Please click on remove watermark from image and select the desired image. Here I am selecting a picture of berries. Wait for a few seconds for the upload to complete. Once the upload is complete, we will be able to see the preview of the image in the right section. Here we need to mark all watermark areas with this box. Place the cursor where the text is and drag around the text. The box comes around it. Do the same procedure for all watermarks. Now click on the erase button. Wait for the watermark removal process to complete. Once that is done, click on the download files button. This will download the image with the watermark removed. Now you can see the downloaded image without watermark in the image. This is a watermark image and a watermark removed image. Thanks for watching. For more technical videos, please subscribe to our channel Tech is Buddy.